Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be back today to be reviewing a product for the first time. I haven't done one of these videos in so long and I'm so excited to share with you guys how I like it and how is it going to fit my skin. If you guys want to check it out and see how I like it, keep on watching. So I'm going to be reviewing and trying on for the first time the new Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation. So this is a foundation stick. It kind of reminds me of the Makeup Forever foundation stick, which I have never tried, by the way. But I wanted to try this out because it's only $6.99. I got it online. They don't have it at any of my stores right now. The color that I got is Classic Beige. I wanted to go to the store to see if they had it to, you know, just in case this color didn't fit me, but it seems like it is. And this is the packaging, you guys. It's so cute. And it doesn't feel cheap at all, and for the price is really good. So I'm going to swatch it for you guys in the back of my hand to see that. I hope. Let's see. Well, I guess it will fit my color. Do you see it there? It looks pretty good. So what I like doing, as you guys know, is if you watch my previous videos, I like to do one side with my beauty blender and the other side with my favorite e.l.f. foundation brush. I don't have any primer on my face. As always, I don't like to prime my face. I want to give the foundation a fair chance and try it out, you know, see if I like it. I don't want to do primer because sometimes primer is supposed to make it look even better and we don't want that. So the only thing that I'm wearing is just my eyes. That's the only thing, and then my lip gloss, which I'm wearing the Kopari lip gloss, lip glossy it says. And you know what, you guys, I really like this to make my lips feel shiny but not sticky. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the video. So I zoomed you guys up a little bit closer. As you can see, just a moisturizer on my skin. I am oily, so that's why I look oily. So I'm going to go ahead and be doing one side and then I'll do the other side. So I'm just going to do some swipes. Actually, a lot of swipes. So as right now, it looks like the foundation is a little bit too light for my skin. But we're going to go ahead and blend it out with the beauty blender to see how it blends. So the first wipe, you can see it's not full coverage. It is a little bit too light for me, so I would go up a shade. But it's not that full coverage, so it's okay. We're going to move on to the other side. I'm pretty sure if I add some more swipes on there, it'll be a full coverage. And then I'm going to just take the e.l.f. Foundation brush, and then we're going to blend it out. Honestly, I kind of like this side better with the brush. It feels like it blended out like more full coverage. Do you guys see? Like, I feel like the brush did a better job than the beauty blender. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do some more swipes on this side of my face, just so we can get an even coverage to this side with the beauty blender. Okay, so I'm all done blending it out with the beauty blender, and let's see. So you see, like, it still didn't make it more full coverage on this side of my face as I think the brush did. So as of right now, I'm gonna go with, I like blending it out with the brush better than the Beauty Blender, only because it gives me more of a fuller coverage with the brush, which is, I guess, kind of like, that's what it's supposed to do. I guess a Beauty Blender is supposed to blend out a little bit more, but normally I like doing my Beauty Blender with foundations instead of brushes. But in this case, with this foundation, I like to do it, I would prefer to do it with the brush, only because it gave me more of a coverage. Although on my nose, like, it didn't really cover much. It's like kind of patchy, so I don't know, we're gonna have to keep trying this out. And it is a little bit too light, you guys can tell, so that's okay though, because we can use a bronzer to go ahead and make it a little darker to my skin tone to match me. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup and be back with you guys to show you the finished product. Okay, you guys, so this is with all my makeup on my face. I put blush, I put highlight, I put a little bit of bronzer on my skin. It's still a little bit too light, but not as bad after I put everything on my face. I want to show you guys up close to see how it looks. I think it did a pretty good job. Besides, like, my nose, it's like a little patchy, but other than that, my skin looks good. I do like it with the brush better. Did a little bit more full coverage than the Beauty Blender did, but so far so good. I'm going to keep trying this foundation out, but I'm going to wait till it comes in my store so I can get a little bit of a darker color, because right now it's not fitting me. I still have my tan going that I had from the summertime. It takes me a while to get back into my normal shade, but right now we're gonna make it work, and yeah, it looks pretty good. Not too bad. I wish I had the box, because it literally came in the box like this when I ordered it, so I can tell you guys like what it's meant to do, like what it claims to be. But I don't have it, and I don't have my phone with me right now, so I'm just gonna list it down in the description box below, and then you guys let me know what you think of this foundation. Like, if you guys tried it or anything, yeah, let me know. And also, I wanted to talk to you guys about changing my YouTube name, like, to my name instead. Or do you guys think that the name that I have now is okay? I don't know, I just have mixed feelings about changing my name for my YouTube channel. You guys let me know. So those are my final thoughts. Right now, so far so good. It doesn't look bad, you know, just a little bit too light, but that's okay, no problem. But I'm gonna keep trying it out, and then I'll update you guys in the description box below to see if it like actually fit my skin good, or if it made me oily, because I am gonna go run some errands, and then I'll keep you guys updated. But thank you guys always for watching me and always supporting me. Sorry if this video is all over the place. I just haven't filmed one of these in so long. I'm trying to get into the hang of things. But yeah, you guys let me know if you like this video, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.